Want to speak English with confidence? Start with these 40 daily English words you can use every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy English lessons. Hello, my name is Sarah. Goodbye, see you tomorrow. Please give me some water. Thank you for your help. I'm sorry, I am late. Yes, I like pizza. No, I don't have a car. Can you help me, please? I want a glass of water. The food is delicious. Good morning, how are you? Good night, sleep well. He is my best friend. My family is very kind. What is your name? I go to work at 8 a.m. My sister goes to school. I stay at home today. My car is red. I lost my phone. What time is it? Today is a sunny day. I have a meeting tomorrow. I am eating now. I always brush my teeth. I never smoke. I sometimes watch TV. I am happy today. She looks sad. He is tired after work. It's very hot outside. The water is cold. My house is big. This room is small. That's a good idea. This coffee tastes bad. The car is very fast. The turtle is slow. I want to buy a new phone. I go to the market every day. Practice these words every day and try to use them in your daily life. Little by little, your English will get better.